Good morning, class 3 children. We are doing chapter on internet, that is introducing internet. Okay, so this is, I guess, the last of the period for explanation. And today we will start from page number 55, that is online safety. In the previous period, we have discussed the advantages and disadvantages of internet. Okay, so now we shall see how to maintain safety when we are working online, because in today's scenario it is very important that we understand that there are so many threats related to internet, so we need to maintain certain protocols to be on the safer side. Now let's start it. Practicing cyber safety can go a long way towards protecting your identity and sensitive personal information. It is difficult to ensure perfect security, but you can work to make yourself a more difficult target. Some online safety measures are given below. Means when we are working online, it is a little bit difficult to maintain cyber safety, but still we can make some efforts, make we can follow some protocols to ensure that our sensitive personal and even professional information is safe. Okay, because though it is very difficult to ensure the perfect security, 100% security, because even if we are following some protocols, there must be loopholes somewhere in those. Okay, so but still we can be careful while working, which will ensure security in a big way. So let's see some online measures, online safety measures that we can follow to make our work easy and better. First is create passwords and make them strong. A strong password is at least 12 characters long. Strong password tips include the use of mix of letters, numbers and symbols, and try not to include personal information. Means first of all, wherever we can put password, we should use proper passwords. Like passwords are being asked for mail, for working on various social media platforms and elsewhere also. So we should make proper passwords, and they should be very strong. They should be a mix of alphabets, numbers and special characters like hyphen, at the rate symbol, colon, etc. Now second is secure access to your accounts. Since passwords can be stolen, adding two-step authentication to accounts provides a second layer of protection. Means since our passwords can be stolen by other people, they can try it, they can hack it. So we need to follow two-step authentication. Means we can provide a second layer of authentication of password protection by securing our access. Means we can restrict the access and can define who all will see. Okay, like the users will see, or the group members will see, or the family members will see, like that. Then share with care. Be careful about what you share publicly on social media sites like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Means we should be careful about what we are sharing, how much personal information we are divulging on these social media platforms, especially where our information is accessible to strangers also. So we should be very careful while sharing. Then use security software. Install security software on your devices from a reliable source and keep it updated. It is best to run the antivirus and anti-spyware software regularly. Means we should install, we should in fact, if it is needed, we should buy proper safety security software on our devices from a reliable source. The source should be reliable. We should not trust on any source that we come across, but we should get it from the reliable source only and keep it updated. Means usually you must have seen that the antivirus software are asking for this update, so it should be properly updated to ensure proper security. It is best to run the antivirus and anti-spyware software regularly. Means we should run these two type of softwares regularly to avoid any glitch or any problem with our system. Then log out. Remember to log out of apps and websites when you are done using them. It is a very important steps, because when we are working on the social media, we usually forget to log out. Sees children, if it is your system and only you or the people related to you are using, then it is fine. But if other people are using it, so you need to be careful that you are logging out or not. If you will not log out, the other person will get an access to your account and they will start using your account. Okay,